We tell this movie story in very simple English. So the pictures form in your mind as you listen. The words start to sound clear and familiar. And understanding comes without trying. Part 3. The Ghost from the Past.
It is the year 1968. Noodles returns to New York again. He is old now with gray hair. He is old now with gray hair. He walks into Mo's shop. He thinks Mo took the money years ago. He thinks Mo took the money years ago. But Mo is poorer than before. But Mo is poorer than before. Noodles feels confused and uneasy. Noodles feels confused and uneasy. A strange letter leads him outside. He follows it to a cemetery. 3 graves stand quietly there. They belong to his dead friends. They belong to his dead friends. Noodles feels the past closing in. Noodles feels the past closing in. He looks closer at the monument. He looks closer at the monument. His own name is written on it. His own name is written on it. Noodles feels cold in his chest. Noodles feels cold in his chest. He sees a key hanging on the wall. Someone is guiding him step by step. Someone is guiding him step by step. Noodles takes the key to the station. He opens the old suitcase again. The money is back inside. The money is back inside. Millions of dollars fill the case. Millions of dollars fill the case. Noodles feels shock, not joy. Noodles feels shock, not joy. He asks himself who did all this. He asks himself who did all this. He remembers a strange car at the cemetery. He wrote down the plate number. Later, he sees it on the news. The car exploded in flames. The car exploded in flames. A name appears again and again. A name appears again and again. It is Secretary Bailey. It is Secretary Bailey. Noodles follows the name to a theater. He sees a photo on the wall. A familiar face looks back at him. A familiar face, looks back at him. It is Deborah. It is Deborah. Noodles waits backstage to see her. 35 years pass in one moment. 35 years pass in one moment. Deborah is old now like him. Deborah is old now like him. They look at each other quietly. They look at each other quietly. Words are no longer needed. Words are no longer needed. Noodles learns a hidden truth. Noodles learns a hidden truth. Deborah lives with Secretary Bailey. Deborah lives with Secretary Bailey. She has been his woman for years. She has been his woman for years. The past connects again. The past connects again. A young man walks into the room. His name is David. Noodles freezes when he sees his face. Noodles freezes when he sees his face. David looks just like young Max. David looks just like young Max. At last, Noodles understands. At last, Noodles understands. The truth of the rainy night appears. The truth of the rainy night appears. Secretary Bailey is Max himself. Secretary Bailey is Max himself. Max never died that night. Max never died that night. He used another body to fake his death. Max killed his own brothers. Max killed his own brothers. He took all the money alone. He took all the money alone. He changed his face and his name. He changed his face and his name. He entered politics step by step. He entered politics step by step. But power brings new chains. But brings new chains. Max is trapped in scandals now. Max is trapped in scandals now. An old partner controls him. An old partner controls him. His plan is falling apart. His plan is falling apart. Noodles meets Max one last time. They sit face to face in a quiet room. They sit face to face in a quiet room. Max asks Noodles to kill him. Max asks Noodles to kill him. He wants an ending by a friend. He wants an ending by a friend. Noodles refuses without anger. Noodles refuses without anger. He says Max died long ago. He says Max died long ago. The man before him is a stranger. The man before him is a stranger. Noodles walks away into the night. Max is left alone with silence. He steps into a garbage truck. The machine starts to roar. Max ends his life there. Max ends his life there. A car full of young people drives past. They sing God Bless America. They are loud, free, and smiling. They are loud, free, and smiling. Noodles watches them quietly. Noodles watches them quietly. He knows life will test them too. He knows life will test them too. Every generation walks the same road. Every generation walks the same road. Dreams rise, then slowly fall. Dreams rise, then slowly fall. The story finally comes to an end. The story finally comes to an end.
We tell movie stories in simple English, so you can picture everything in your mind and learn English naturally through understanding. Follow the channel and make learning English easier.